Yeah, good afternoon, all. Today we'll continue. Yesterday, last class, we covered a few concepts. Okay. Yeah, last class we stopped here. We covered, uh, you know, uh, the reliability also in last class. Okay, that unit 3 we entered, and we are Tagochi equality of engineering. We call it we covered reliability also, we covered cost of quality also, we covered in last class, last session. Hope my voice is audible. Nobody is there. Fine. Okay, I'll check once. Okay, no one is there, no problem. So I'll continue my class. So later will do. Okay, now we'll quickly move on to next unit. Next unit is cost of quality. Cost of quality. Okay, what is meant by cost of quality? Cost of quality. Cost of quality. If quality is not maintained in the organization, so what happened to the organization is nothing but cost of quality. Cost of quality. Here, the history of evaluation of the quality sometime sometime okay, evaluate cost of quality sometimes refer the cost of poor quality, the dates for the edition, you can see, I can say, before entering into this concept, I'll give few examples related to the cost of quality. Most of the men were experienced with this no scenario. Suppose you people bought some vegetables to home. Mostly men's attitude is like they don't bargain, and they're not asking that this vegetable is good, this quality, this vegetable is bad. No, simply they'll take the vegetables and keep the vegetables in that bag, and they'll carry to home. After entering to the home, what happened? The person like mother or wife or sister who is leading the family, they inspect the vegetables. If they inspect the vegetables, if they found that the out of 10 vegetables, there are 7 defects are there. 7 defects are there. Then they'll throw away, and they score like anything. You are waste, and all those, you don't know how to select that, pick the vegetable. You taken the poor quality vegetables, not quality, poor, damaged vegetable. Here, vegetable got damaged because of the quality is low, because farmers they cultivated, they are not taken proper precaution for that particular vegetable. That's the reason the vegetables got damaged. First factor. Second factor is The seller, vegetable seller, they are not taken proper preservative measures. Similarly, once you enter into Reliance, they'll have two grades of one vegetable. Okay. First grade is fresh vegetable, high price. Second grade is 4 days or 5 days older vegetable. They are about to expire, about to, it's not used. Then the price is automatically come down. Similarly, once you enter into hotel or restaurant, the food quality is good. The price is automatically depending on quality. Price of the food is also high. Once price is also high, then they found that in the hotel they may found one kind of insects are found straight away, they throw away. Once you take the example of this cost of quality, in higher version, recently one plus mobile, they'll have screen issue. The quality they are not maintained. So here in OnePlus mobile, they are going to taken back by company, and either refunding or exchange with new product. It's going to be happen. So this is how the cost of quality might be affecting to the organization. If you take this example related to cost of quality concepts, there is a meaning of cost of quality, reworking of manufacturing items, retesting of assembly, and rebuilding of tools, the correction of bank statement, everything. The quality is done in every operation. In industry will call as functional. Every functionality they need to check the quality. Even when we are talking about IT software, like they are called as quality QA, quality assurance cell, in IT software. But in our language we'll call as testing, software testing. What is meant by testing? 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, that should be displayed. Instead of 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, 2 into 2 is also 4. Programmer write the code like 2 into 2 is equals to 4, but 2 plus 2 2 is equals to 4, 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Whereas I can replace with several scenarios, whether 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, or 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, or 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, or 10 plus 2 is equals to 12, or 20 plus 2 is equals to 22, or 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. Like result will came. Instead of that, they found that 4 plus 2 is equals to 8. Something might be wrong. The operation, it's not working like plus, it's working like multiply. 10 plus 2 is equals to, instead of 12, they'll display like 20. So multiplication is happened. Hey, I found one bug in your coding. They'll write one essay type of thing to their project manager. Hey, project manager, look into your developer. He didn't know develop the product. Okay, you revise this. This is the source code where I tested. The results are there along with the screenshot. They'll send very big letter to that particular project manager. Then project manager the call the programmer who wrote the program for the particular no project. Finally, the correction is going to be happen with the help of tester. Again, they'll send for testing. Yes, yay, you did it. Congratulations, you did it. Like kind of quality is going to happen. So in similarly in manufacturing also, they are going to test. quality assured and quality check. Such kind of stickers you are going to labels, you are going to see QC passed, quality test is passed in electronic item, electrical item, and even automobile item. So a one sticker quality QC pass, quality check pass, quality check is pass. So here types of quality cost, like failure cost, like external failure or internal failure cost, inspection cost, that is appraisal cost, prevention cost, and hidden cost. Failure, failure, that is external failure. Okay, what is maybe external failure? External means it is not happen in the in its like it is not happen in external way. So external failure is nothing but the product is goes to customer end, product is goes to customer end, and the product is going to be failure in externally. That is called external failure cost. That is failure. Whereas internal product, like Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, these people are experimented lot of scientific project. Do you think that at first time the experiment goes success? No, because of they are went to several experiment X, experimental Y, experimental Z. Like so, even if we, to found the bulb, Alva Edison, the thousands of tests are happened. That is called he failed. He failed. Everyone, their friend group, they say that he failed. That's called internal failure cost. The cost is related to manufacture and product which which do meet the quality requirement specification. It includes the manufacturing losses occurring that due to scrap, rework, and assembly or reprocessing and material review material. So it's called internal failure cost. And external failure cost is it is going to be in customer end, customer receive the product, and there the product is going to be defective. So sometime we'll call as warranty, we'll claim the warranty here. So inspection cost, inspection is nothing but appraisal cost. So once appraisal is going to be happen, that is inspection is happened, that's cost. And prevention cost, in order to minimize the prevention. So in order to minimize the product defects, they are preventing by applying some kind of quality checks. Prevention cost and hidden cost. Hidden costs are like unexpected cost with expected loss of sales and designing and making and software challenge, additional product cost and changing manufacturing process. So these are the costs are involved. Then we'll know that ABC. What is mean by ABC? Activity based costing. ABC is nothing but activity based costing. So here in our activity based costing, like Mm, you know activity based costing, we'll see this. Identify the main activities of the organization, identify factors determine the cost, and collect the cost each collective, and charge support and chargeable. Now here flow cost assigning ABC. First, resources drivers, activities driver, cost concepts, and five basic component like resources and resources drivers and activities activities. You can see this is like recipient development say salaries, resources driver, percentage of time. Then we'll classify it like activities like receive materials 10% and upload to truck 20%, move material that is 10%, schedule recipients receipts like 15%, Expected material 20% and 25% is resolve vendor errors. So these are the cost. Now we'll call as total cost. We'll call activity cost drivers. A number of receiving order for receiving department. Number of purchasing order for the cost operation of the purchase department. Dispatch order for the dispatch department. Number of units. Setups. Labor cost incurred. Material product. Materials handling costs and inspection schedule charges, schedule changes, and parts received per month. Machine are used for a product, direct labor hours, vendors, purchase order hours, unit, like this. Okay, selection of activity cost drivers. And here, degree of correlation, cost measurement, behavioral effects. These are the factors are involved here. Types of cost drivers. And here, structured cost drivers, organizational drivers, and cost objects. So here activities is make the sales call, and activity driver is number of sales call, and a cost object is large consumer, medium consumer, small consumers, like this. So here trade-off between quality design and quality quality of design and cost. Okay. Okay, so here the cost of poor quality, a poor quality internal failure, failure cost, external failure cost, appraisal failure cost, prevention cost. That is cost of poor quality, cost of good quality, appraisal cost, and prevention cost. So these are the components. And internal failure already waste, scrap, rework, failure analysis, external failure is repair, and repair. External failure repair, servicing and warranty claims and complaints and returns. So, so with this, we can cover this unit. At the end of the unit, every unit will have the case study. You can go through the case study and you can rework on this. Okay. And we'll quickly move on to the functional, quality function deployment. Quality function deployment. 1 second. 183. 1 second. Okay. Now we'll move towards this concept, quality function deployment. So here, quality function deployment. What is meant by quality function deployment? Quality function. Oh, my voice unmuted. It's there. Yeah. Quality function deployment. Quality function deployment is a system that designing a product or service based on customers' demand, which with the participation number of all functions of suppliers, organizations, it translate the customer requirements into appropriate technical requirement for each stage. Now, the quality function deployment. Here, there are such aspects. Like we need to do some kind of MR in that. What is meant by MR? MR represent market research. 1 second. Yeah, finally I'm seeing one boy. Okay. So is Jaga ready? Good. Fine. Today, what we discussed, Mr. Reddy, we are entering into the quality, cost of quality loss, and uh, cost of quality, and we discussed this unit, cost of poor quality, and what is the internal failure cost, external failure cost, and appraisal cost, prevention cost. Like why the quality is required. Okay, why quality is required in order to, like you can say I given few example related to, again I'm going to now you enter into this virtual meet and this class. So why it is required, I given few example related to this. uh, like recently like one phone, one plus phone having screen problem, lines are happened, that is called external failure cost. The product or service goes to the customer end and it failed it at the customer end. Then again their company, they are saying stating that they are buy back that no, they are taken back, not buy back, taken that particular product back. Either they are going to refund it or else they are going to replace with new product. That is called external failure cost. Internal failure cost is nothing but whenever it is the product is failure at the development end or else before delivering to customer end. That is called internal failure cost. Appraisal cost. Appraisal cost also we discussed. Appraisal cost also we discussed. What is meant by appraisal cost? Appraisal cost is nothing but we are activities related to quality associated with suppliers and customers, evaluating the purchase of material and process, product, services, ensure the customer specification. That's called appraisal cost. Like in that, we are going to verification is going to be happen, and quality audits we are going to see, and supplier rating also we need to see. Okay, appraisal cost is nothing but in order to produce more qualitative product to satisfy the customer, they are enter into this appraisal cost. One second. Yeah, it's called appraisal cost and prevention cost. In order to prevent the failure, they are taking some measurements like quality planning, quality assurance, and training to employees. This is the uh, prevention cost. So here, uh, whenever total quality cost of quality, it's we are developed poor quality cost, that is no poor quality. So poor quality nothing but it's like a product failure, whether it's failure internally or externally. Product is succeed in order to improve the quality of product, and appraisal cost and prevention costs. So these are the four types we discussed now. And and we entered into this quality functional deployment. uh, we enter into quality functional deployment. So each and every unit you have like one case study is there. Please go through the case study so that you can understand what is going to be happened. And also Mr. Reddy, I think can you unmute yourself? Case Jaga
Can you
Reddy.
hear me, sir?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
first time, no, the past, you no, you are joining first time in my class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because previous sessions while I am taking, at least one or two students are there. I'm surprising this batch. I don't know how many students are there in your class.
So particularly I don't know about, but
Mhm.
I don't know sir how many students.
Okay, fine, fine. Because no, whenever you people are joined, okay, that sessions goes interaction, then only you'll gain some knowledge. Not only the subject.
Yes sir, but in my particular area, so I'm only the one student, so I don't know how many students
I don't know. Even I
around.
don't know. The university has
Sir,
asked me. Okay,
I'm near to Madanpalli, so in this area there's two parts to other parts, so I don't know
you're
how many
near to
students are studying
Madanapalli.
in particular.
Near to
Yes
Madanapalli.
sir,
Where it's a location?
near to Madanpalli.
It's like
So near Chittur.
I know that Madanapalli, Chittur. I am from Jain University, Anantapur. Mm, okay, I know. Fine, fine, Jagareddy.
In
So we will
Madanpalli, sir,
definitely.
it's near
Huh?
to.
Sorry, your voice is not audible. No problem, no problem. Okay. So no, your voice is not audible to me. It's breaking. It's breaking. Okay. Your, I think there might be a network problem. Hope my voice is audible. You can text me. You can text me. I'll see. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. 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 Fine. So almost we are covered 3 units, 3 blocks as of now. So again, for your benefit, again I'm going to revise this thing. Okay, what is quality management and how it look like? So we are at page number 182. Okay, unit number 11. This book is provided by your university, that is Ambedkar Open University, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. So in that, each and every textbook, it consists of 5 blocks. First block, second block, third block, fourth block, fifth block. Might be depends on the uh, no block capacity. They might be subdivided into units, like units, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. So minimum of 3 and maximum of 4 units they are going to allocate it to you. So each block there might be a 3 units or 4 units. Some blocks might be having 4 units, some blocks might be having 3 units. Here we covered like introduction to quality management, we covered already. I think next week we are going to wind up this paper. Okay, block 2 we are also covered like quality tools and the techniques, and block 3 is quality implementation. Black 4 is Six Sigma practices. Black 5 is implementation of TQM. So here 5 blocks are there. We are into we covered 1 second, Maruti. Sorry, ma, I got several calls. So here we covered block three and cost of quality. Now there are two more blocks are there. Okay, quality functional deployment we are going supposed to cover. So two more blocks we need to cover till now. So almost we covered like uh, uh, three blocks till now. Still three more classes are there. We may cover two blocks. One second. Okay. Now we are into quality functional deployment. So, have any questions? You can unmute yourself, or else you can type in comment box. Sir, I have question. I can feel free to ask at any time. Disturb me at any time. No problem. So, if you are muted, I hope so. You are understand the concept. Otherwise, no, our flow is going like very little bit fast. Okay. Uh, so quality of deployment. So here quality of deployment. So market research. We need to do basic research, innovation, concept design, and prototype design and testing, final product and service testing, after sales and service troubleshooting. So these parameters will comes under quality function deployment. I'm going to give few example related to this day-to-day usage. Again, I'm giving example through example related to mobile phone. Earlier in 1990, when we are talking about communication, like we are going to communicate through telegram, postal department, they send the message, greetings. So telegram, not app telegram. On those days, telegram is sent, emergency, please come to our hometown. So the people, from the postal department people, they'll send the message, and they take printout. That four line words or five line, each line they'll charge 100 rupees on those days, 1990s. Later, they'll write letters, inland covers. Later, okay, that message, letters, okay, they're continued, but uh, internet revolution is happened, and all of a sudden, like landline is also came to the picture. Expansion of landline is going to be happen. That's called market research. No, I'm giving example related research. So prototype design and testing. I'll give everything related to this. After that, landline is converted into will phone, like wireless phone. Wireless phone, okay, and it might be converted into that basic handset uh, uh, like 1 kg phone or half kg 100 grams phone or 500 grams phone, like that. After that, SMS is came to the picture. Lot of research is going to be happened in the market. SMS is going to be the picture, and we people are seeing that dial-up connections. After some research, dial-up is converted into we'll call as broadband connection, speed up connection, and 1G to 2G, like GPRS to edge to like hybrid to 3G, 3G to 4G, 4G to 5G, like that. Networks are changed. So depending on the customer requirement and market research, the shape of the telecommunication is going to be changed. Even whenever technologies are going to be advanced, the product cost is also coming to the down, because of the R&D happened in quality of the product. So market research, basic research, innovations. So we can cover all those things in this example. Okay, what is mean by why QFD is used? Why we need to use QFD used to improve the understanding the customer and develop product service, process, more customer oriented way. As I mentioned the product of mobile phone, as I mentioned the product of mobile phone. In mobile phone, you can see 2003 or 2006 to 2 decades. There are a lot of revolutions are happened in the customer point of view mobile phone, and you can see televisions, we can see electricity, bulbs, you can see internet, you can see vehicles. The revolution is going to be happened because of implementation of QFD. So here, what it's going to be mainly focus on? They mainly focus on customer satisfaction, customer oriented. The objective of QFD is to allow the voice of the customer. With the example, the which I given now. Okay, so voice of the customer and heard the clarity in the development process, and also comply with the do the
Sir,
right. Yes, please.
sir, why, sir, most of the companies are making the which mean unstandard of quality of materials are being used, which mean the cheap materials, which mean you buy a mobile phone which around 10,000, you get all around 3,000 rupees it been made, but they are selling 10,000 like that. So why like this? Which mean they're selling that cheaper than their actual
Yeah.
price. Why it can happen
Okay,
in most of the
okay, okay.
companies?
You're asking about price or quality. First point, price
Quality
or
is reduced.
quality.
Price
Okay,
is high, quality is
okay,
low.
okay. I understand the question. Okay, I'm going to give one best example related to this. One best example related to this. Have you heard about Motor Car,
Yes, sir.
Ambassador Car, Ambassador Car?
Yes, sir. It been
Have
not
you
now,
heard?
but it old
Not
it
now.
been my most popular car.
Exactly. The Hindustan Motor, they never and ever compromise the quality. The body which the Hindustan Motor made from pure metal like iron, and such a kind of component which is not rusted, the component. Correct. Why Hindustan Motor is not in the market now? In 1990s to 2005, 6. So Hindustan Motor Cars are ruled the market. Why? The reason is the price aspect. They don't compromise
Sir,
with the
but you
quality.
get a better rate.
Just listen. Okay,
Yes.
the price of the product is high while they compare with the competition price. They are not survived in the market. That's why they withdraw from the market. Hindustan Motor is no more produce the car now because of price. You can ask, sir, Benchcar is also there. Sir, Skoda is also there. You can see, uh, even they'll have some kind of defects. Skoda, Benchcar will say they'll have some defects in quality wise. But your question is, I got your question. So why pricing is very high and they are coming down? They're reducing the price.
So as
Uh,
much of standard that we don't get the products. So we didn't get satisfied to that price.
Correct. Absolutely correct. You can see Nokia example. 1100 is most popular brand in
So it's
our
the most
India.
popular, most
Most popular.
even most of the
Now also you
golden
can see now also it is work properly if you insert the SIM. Correct.
websites a
Why
legend phone.
no, why people are not purchase that particular product? It is outdated. Not outdated. It is not fulfilling the customer requirement. That's what this chapter is going to deal. This is not fulfilling the customer requirement. That's why most of the customers, they are not purchased Nokia 1100 phone. I'm correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in order to fulfill the customer requirement, they need a lot of research. They need a lot of research. Correct or not? So research
Sir.
incurred some
But
cost. Research incurs some cost. Okay. I'll throw few example related to this. Research cost related to this. Uh, like you can see products like you will take iPhone. iPhone. Why iPhone cost is more compared with other?
sir, a lot of assembly parts are coming from out of the country, sir. So it's been a import and export cost is high. So
No, no, there,
labor availability,
no, no, no.
chip management is not available in India right now.
These
So
are- these these are the factors. No, no, you can say in not only India, you can say entire abroad, like globally, global market. You can say iPhones are costliest product.
yes, sir, I agree,
Brand,
sir. Yes, I agree.
brand, brand. First factor is brand. Why brand is built? Because of their R&D activities, research and development. When we are talking about iPhone, uh, there are high priorities security. Security. We can't install, third party apps
Third
in
party.
iPhone.
Yes, sir.
Security feature. Second aspect, the quality of the raw material, the quality of programming and user friendliness they're used in the iPhone, the performance of the iPhone. If you start using an iPhone for, okay, initially, like couple of days or maximum of 1 month, they feel difficult. Once they are using accustomed with that iPhone, then people are not ready to switch to iPhone to normal Android phone. My statement is true or false?
Sir, but now if you buy one Apple phone, we get an almost three phones, same that of cost.
Hmm. Okay, agreed, agreed.
So, but we get a better battery life and performance and camera. No, we did camera, but features like a screen or battery or extra something. Mm.
See, here
But
I can say I can say
same cost only, sir. But
agreed, 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 agreed. You can say not only three phones. Like if your iPhone cost is around 1.3 lakhs, okay, 1.3 lakhs. It's not like same kind of phone is cloned by Chinese people. Appearance wise, same to same, but they'll give at the cost of 10,000 rupees. You got it? They'll give at the cost of 10,000 rupees only.
yes, sir.
Then you can buy 10,000 rupees, 13 phones. Why people are not purchase that particular products? Agreed? Agreed? See here, my point is very clear. So
Yes,
depends on the target audience. Depends on the target audience. Like target audience are belongs to rich people. In marketing, we'll call it STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Segmentation and targeting positioning. So whenever you are segmenting the rich people, they want comfort, they want brand, they want they should be loyal towards particular brand, they want a society impression, they are living for society. That's the reason majority of the people they are using iPhone. You can see iPhone users, iPhones users. You can compare that iPhone users. Of course, top level people are there, but when you are seeing that middle class people, they are fond of using that iPhone because it gives some image in the society. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So this is the reason. Uh, okay, so the price they may have the several impact factor. One of the major factor is quality. Quality, like you can say, if you go to Hyderabad, malls are there. Like if you go to Panjagutta, Banjara Hills, if you take one cup of tea in Barista Hotel, it costs around 500 rupees. Coffee, 500 rupees. 1000 rupees tea is also available in Hyderabad. Do you think that people can pay the money for 1000 rupees for tea? One tea costs 1000 rupees because of the amenities which they provided for the tea. They are extremely extraordinary amenities. Agreed?
Sir, but consumers are low.
Of course, consumers are low. Even see, see, if you go to in front of barista, yes, beside backside of the barista hotel, there is a one chai hotel. One chai hotel. It costs 10 rupees or 15 rupees tea. If you see the taste, if you see the taste of the tea in barista as well as that chai owner, that 10, 15 rupees or 10 rupees chai. 10 rupees chai is good. Why people rushing towards that 1000 rupees? Amenities.
Loyalty look or
Amenities is nothing but what are the facilities, features they are providing in that inside the restaurant. It is centralized AC. They'll have luxury seating capacity. Luxury seats are there, and if you sit 5 hours, nobody will object you. 6 hours, nobody will object you. They'll have, if you want to keep that electricity like charging point, yes, they'll have that charging point. Lot of business class meetings are happened in that particular hotel. There are also business class meetings. Here also class meetings are there. So you can see the cause why they are moving towards that particular barista hotel. The reasons are different. Similarly, when we are talking about accommodation, stay, when we are talking about rail, rail reservation, okay, you are paying to reach. You are from Madanapalli. If you catch Padmavati Express and you reach to Secunderabad station, your destiny is moving Madanapalli like CTM to that particular location, Secunderabad. You can plan your travel according to based on your budget. I'm correct? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay.
It's right.
Based on your budget. So you have much budget, have own car, then you'll go by car. Even you have a driver, you assign the driver and you reach to Secunderabad or Hyderabad, twin cities. Okay, your budget is not supported. You can self drive and you can go with that. Okay, 1 second. So okay, my voice is audible to you.
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Uh, uh, Turn on to email and Gmails are entered. Okay, later. Okay, uh, fine. So here, so based on your budget, you are planning your travel, right? So you can ask, sir, if you go by flight, instead of going to flight, I'll travel. Even general ticket person, like it cost around 100 rupees to reach Hyderabad by train. Okay, so by train 100 rupees. Flight cost around. You need to travel to Bangalore via Chintamani Airport, Bangalore Airport. Then you reach to Hyderabad Airport, and there we can hire. All together, it's cost 20,000 rupees to you. Let's say example, with that 20,000 rupees, if you are belongs to you means people who are belongs to general compartment people, for 20,000 rupees is like their 1 month or 2 months salary. 1 month or 2 months salary. Agreed. The 10,000 salary person, 5,000 salaried person, they want to travel to Hyderabad. They'll go by general train. They'll catch the general train. So because of the segmented market, like what is the segmented market? What are the income source from the customer end? They travel. Even that 5,000 person, they are traveling in same train. Even 200 crores person, they traveled in like hall HM1 first class AC, paying 5,000 rupees for the seat. Separate room is there. Classes are different because how much you pay, then they'll get the amenities like the features, benefits, atmosphere. They are going to be decide. Okay, it's going to be another no deviating from the quality aspect, but quality, of course, quality is directly proportionate with price. I can say this. Best example I given iPhone. When you are taking iPhone, automatically the iPhone is a qualitative one. The price of the iPhone is going to be high. When you are purchasing the low end phone, the futures and experience of that particular thing is low, but functionality is same. Functionality is incoming, outgoing is same. Now you got it. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good.
Now you got it. So do you have any questions now?
No, sir.
We'll see because the people. I'm sorry, Ambedkar Open University team. So I taken 10 minutes extra time for you. So our scheduled time is 12:30. Tomorrow 11:30. Tomorrow is not there, right? Tomorrow Monday. Next week, next Saturday, 11:30. We supposed to meet, ma. Ready?
Okay, sir. Sure.
No? We'll complete that portion. Okay. Right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Ambedkar Open. Open. It's over to you. Thank you.